Nest comes equipped with a 30 amp service. So when we take our power cord, we want to open our door, insert, turn, and then we want to use the nut to tighten it into place. The Nest comes equipped with exterior ports for the satellite and cable. So if we open this up, we actually have cable on this side and then the satellite on this side. On the curb side of the Nest, underneath the power awning, we have a GFI 110 outlet with 2 ports. So we'd open this up and then we could plug into there.